So now that we have passed the employees from here to the index.html, we need to access the employees and display all of the employees in the index. So in the index here, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to loop over the employees, because this employees, by the way, this employees is an array. So in the index here, we need to use for loop. So I'm going to say here, curly brackets and then percentages, and then in between, I'm going to say for employee in employees. And then here we need to end the for. I'm going to say curly brackets and then percentages, and then I'm going to say end for. And in between, we need to access each employee and display its data or their data. So here I'm going to say dev first, and inside that dev, and then inside that dev, I'm going to display 4 things. I'm going to say span, 4 spans, span, and then I'm going to copy this and paste it 4 times because I want to display 1, 2, 3, and 4, and I need to display 4 things. So we need to display the email and the name and the salary and the job. So here, in order to display these things, we need to access each employee that's inside the employees array. So to do that, we need to use the double curly brackets syntax. So I'm going to say here double curly braces, and then I'm going to say employee dot name. And similarly for the email, I'm going to say double curly braces and then employee dot email. And then we need to access or display the employee dot job. And finally, we need to display the salary here, employee dot salary. So let me save and let me head on over to the browser to test. So as you can see, if I refresh in the browser, it's going to say here mark at example.com, and then software developer, and the salary is 10,000. So it works successfully, and now we have only 1 employee. Of course, if the design needs to be fixed, I'm going to be working on the design later. But here, for example, if you want this to be displayed in for example, H4, you can here say H4, and here H4, just to make the name very recognizable here, mark, and then the email, the salary, the job title, and then the salary. This is if you want to display it in like this, but I recommend displaying it in 1 line. If you want to display it in several lines, you can do that.